Hello people and welcome back to yet another epic episode on Caught on Dashcam channel. This one is going to be packed with all sorts of crazy road moments caught on driver's dashcam, so make sure to stick till the end because you'll surely enjoy watching it. All the clips used in this episode are for educational purposes, and now, without any further ado, let's get this episode started. In our first video, we already have a lot to cover and take notes. A lot of these drivers display improper road behavior by running red lights, stop signs, tailgating, cutting others off, and many more. Just make sure you're not one of these drivers and place safety above everything else in traffic.
Yeah. I cut that truck off too. Nice. Stop! You said it. Stop! Back in the depths of hell, kids. Hello. Oh yeah! Kowloon dive. Oh, God. Cut off, still a douche. Yeah. They'll fix this some decade, not mine. Probably not my lifetime, but they'll fix it. Yeah, cut off. It anyway. Uh-oh. Don't hit me. Jesus Christ. And that's not a parking space. Four spaces. Are you that retarded? Well, yeah, you're a camera. Stop before you turn. Stop before you turn. Stop before you turn. Are you gonna stop? No, thank you so much. Thank you. Hey, that was a red. Is that a cutoff?
When drivers use wrong lanes to make a turn, it only creates a lot of confusion in traffic. You're gonna see some examples of bad turns. Luckily, it didn't come to an accident in any of those situations, but the chances of causing an accident with this type of behavior are really high. Cutting others off in traffic can come with multiple consequences. There are rules and regulations for everything in traffic, and if you don't pay attention to the road rules and regulations, you might find yourself in a lot of trouble. Be more mindful of your surrounding and give way when you're supposed to do it.
What the fuck are you doing?
Hi, yes, please stop. Oh my gosh.
Pay close attention at the SUV driver in the front. He was dangerously changing lanes and exposed the biker and everyone else around him to the danger. Never change lanes so suddenly and without indicating like him. Driver on the right side of the camera confused the green arrow turn. He thought the light was green for other vehicles to go straight, but that wasn't the case. This is what happens when you misjudge the situation, and hopefully no one was seriously injured. When the roads are full of snow, you need to adapt to those conditions. In other words, no speeding and sudden lane changes, or you might end up losing control of your vehicle completely, just like this driver here.
They're actually up here. I can see flashing lights.
With this clip we conclude another epic episode on Caught on Dashcam channel. I hope you guys enjoy watching and learning a thing or two from all the mistakes you saw, because it's always better to learn by observing others rather than making the same mistakes. If you like my work, don't hesitate to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. While you're there, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button to stay up to date with the latest content. Until the next episode, drive safe and eyes on the road.